In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check ClickUp pricing inside ClickUp. If you've ever wondered where to see your current plan, compare features, or check what you'd pay monthly versus annually, I'll walk you through exactly where to look inside your account so you can make informed decisions quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Typing the address directly into the address bar helps you land on the official site without any distractions. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Enter your details, then click the Login button to access your workspace. After you're signed in, you'll be inside ClickUp and ready to find your plan details. Now, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. It's the small circle that usually shows your avatar or initials. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. That will take you into the Settings area where you can view and manage a variety of account and workspace preferences. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of sections organized by topic. Find the one labeled Billing and click it. This is where ClickUp centralizes all pricing and plan information. If you don't see billing listed, you may be on the free plan. In that case, you'll likely see an upgrade button instead, often in the same left sidebar or at the top of the page. Click that upgrade button. Either route will take you to the same place where you can view your pricing information. On the billing and plan screen, you'll immediately see your current plan. It will be clearly labeled, typically something like Free, Unlimited, Business, or another plan tier that matches your subscription. This label tells you which features and limits apply to your workspace. If you're exploring whether a different plan makes sense, it's helpful to note your current plan name here so you can compare it against the options available. You'll also see clear options to upgrade or compare plans. The upgrade option is where you can review the paid tiers, see which one aligns with your needs, and start the process of changing plans. The compare plans option opens a side-by-side breakdown of features. This is especially useful if you're trying to understand the differences between things like storage limits, automations, advanced permissions, or integrations across tiers. If you're evaluating a move from the free plan to a paid plan, or from one paid plan to a higher tier, this comparison tool gives you a transparent overview of what each plan includes. Next, pay attention to the monthly versus annual toggle. This switch controls how pricing is displayed. Monthly billing typically shows a per-member price billed every month. Annual billing usually offers a discount, showing a per-member price with the full year billed up front. Toggle between monthly and annual to see how the total changes. If you're budgeting for a team or planning ahead, this view makes it simple to weigh short-term flexibility against long-term savings. Keep in mind that prices shown typically do not include any taxes that may apply in your region. Depending on what's available for your account, you may also see add-ons like AI features. These add-ons are optional enhancements that can be layered onto your plan to unlock extra functionality. If AI is visible on your screen, you'll see the pricing and a brief description of what it includes. Some add-ons apply per member, so if your team size changes, your add-on total may change as well. If an add-on isn't displayed, it may not be available on your plan or in your region yet. Everything you need to evaluate your ClickUp pricing lives in this billing area. Your plan name confirms what you're currently on. The upgrade and compare plans options help you evaluate whether stepping up a tier adds the features you're looking for. The monthly versus annual toggle shows you the difference in cost structure, so you can pick the cadence that fits your budget. And if you see add-ons available, you can factor those into your total as needed. If you happen to be on the free plan, clicking upgrade acts as your path into the same pricing view, so you won't miss anything by not having a dedicated billing tab. A few quick tips while you're here. If something doesn't look right, Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. Prices and plan details apply per workspace, so verifying that you're checking the right one helps avoid confusion. Also, depending on your role, you might not have permission to make changes to the plan. In that case, you can still review the pricing and features, but an admin may need to confirm any upgrade decisions. That's all there is to it. By going to Settings, then Billing, or choosing Upgrade if you're on the free plan, you'll be able to see your current plan, explore the available upgrade options, compare plan features, switch between monthly and annual billing views, and review any add-ons that may be offered. It's a straightforward way to get a complete picture of your ClickUp pricing without leaving the app. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video, and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.